This bill would make it a misdemeanor crime to use GPS to track somebody without their knowledge. So to use GPS to gather information on somebody, they need to be aware of it. This is targeted at people that are using it abusively to obtain information that otherwise they wouldn't have, such as in divorce cases or things that are going through with ex-spouses. We have had specific examples of people placing GPS tracking devices on people's automobiles, and then attorneys don't know whether or not they're able to use this information in court because there's no law preventing it from happening. So this bill would make it a misdemeanor crime to track somebody with a global positioning device without their knowledge. The other bill is called Patent Notification Act. It is targeted at patent trolls. It requires basic standard information to be part of a assertion claim, assertion of ownership. If somebody sends a letter saying you are in violation of our a patent, you're using it without our consent and without paying a licensing fee, it requires a standard information that they should send, so then businesses are able to make a decision based on an open, honest dialogue and not just vague, threatening demand letters that often place businesses in a lose-lose situation, because they're either having to pay this licensing fee to continue using the product, or they're going to have to pay an attorney to then look into the validity of the claim instead of being able to make a decision based on that information. So we're saying, you know what, if you're going to target people in Wisconsin, then you should provide a standard basic set of information that allows Wisconsin business owners to then determine if there's validity in that claim and to decide moving forward how the best way to approach that claim, if they should hire an attorney, if they should pay the licensing fee, or if it's just a fraudulent demand claim that they're banking on just them paying the licensing fee and not hiring an attorney. So, you know, a lot of large companies are dealing with patent trolls on a daily basis, but there's also the small business owners. There's people that are being targeted that don't have the resources necessarily to go hire a high-priced patent attorney to research the validity of the claim. So some of these threatening, vague letters have the potential of putting companies out of business, especially small businesses and startups and innovators and entrepreneurs that are just starting out in producing something and producing a brand or a product that is going to create jobs and grow our economy.